Hi, and welcome back. In today's world, where AI can generate essays, code, summaries, and even images in seconds, one question stands out for anyone serious about the quality. Can AI actually do deep research, not just surface level facts or hallucinated answers, but structured, reliable, and multidimensional informations? To test this, we picked a topic we know from inside and out, our own company, StarTech Academy. We built StarTech Academy with care. We know its history, founders, courses, pricing, student impacts, and even our press coverage. That makes it the perfect benchmark to test GenAI accuracy. If a model makes a mistake, we will know for sure. So, we have asked four of the most powerful AI models, one single research prompt. So, the goal is to evaluate their performance on real world tasks and to conduct a comprehensive analysis of Startup Academy. So, now let's explore on what parameters we'll be doing our deep research. So, here's the actual prompt we gave to all the models where we conducted a comprehensive research of our company, Startup Academy, and we told the models to include the history, founders, mission statement, and the core services provided by a company. Also, the courses that we offer, the target audience, locations, the company location, if we are in any partnerships with other companies, the pricing structure, and any student success stories that are there, our online presence, our social media, our website, etc. Also, any notable achievements that we have done or any media coverage that our company has gotten. I also asked ChatGPT or other GenAI models to get me all the research about my company, our positioning in the tech market or any training market, and get our most recent and relevant information. So, this was a detailed prompt that I had written and pasted in all the GenAI models to test their deep research capabilities. So, this is not a toy prompt, it simulates what a real user like student, journalist, investor, or competitor might ask. So, why Startup Academy? Because we know what the correct answer looks like. That allows us to test how accurate the AI is, how deep their knowledge goes, whether they hallucinate or make things up, and how well they structure and present the information. In the next slide, we are going to break down how we evaluated each slide and what we found. But before that, let me tell you about the structure prompt. So, as I've told you before, first I tell the model about the company's name, that I want to do a comprehensive analysis on Startup Academy. Then I give it key information, that what key informations I want from the result. So as I told you before, history, founders, mission statement, pricing, etc. Then any specific focus. So this might come in handy in ChatGPT, because ChatGPT, when doing deep research, doesn't directly go to the deep research. It first asks you a bunch of questions, that are you looking for some parameters. It will ask you a bunch of questions, and then only it will give you the result. So, and the fourth is our evaluation goal. So, it's a test matrix that I've created where I have ranked each model and I have given my grades to each the model. So, we'll see that in the next video. So, let's go to Gemini 2.5 Pro and see how it did on a single shot prompt. So, this is the prompt that I ran on Google Studio AI or Gemini 2.5 Pro. So, it took a little bit of time. So, it took it around 31 seconds to get me the information. So, first of all, it gave me the correct information, that when the company was started, who are the founders of the company, and when it got the legal name of Startup Academy Incorporated. Then it tells us a mission statement and the founders. It tells us about the founders, the core services that we offer, the target audience, location, which is correct, but it forgot to add our Instagram here. So it didn't give the pricing structure. We will talk about it later on. Then we have success stories. So we achieved 1 million students by June 2021, which is correct. As of early 2024, they reported over 5 million enrollments, which is also correct. And then we have the other stuff. Partnership, it didn't include the partnerships that we had. So the company had a partnership, but it didn't add about the partnership, the positioning, and the media coverage. So at all, it was able to give us a quick research in a very few seconds. Let's go to the comparison matrix and I'll tell you that how the other AI models did. So this is the evaluation matrix that I have created. In this, before diving into the scores, it is important to explain you that how we judge the output. I have created a custom evaluation matrix tailored for deep research. Since I know Startup Academy inside and out, I could personally verify every fact and the response. Each model was scored on 4 criteria that were factual accuracy, depth of coverage, structure and clarity, and use of up to date information. That in factual accuracy, if it shows the correct information, depth of coverage, does it explore each subtopic in detail, clarity, is it well organized and readable, and does it reflect recent updates. So each criteria was scored on a scale of 1 to 5, and here is the evaluation matrix as you can see. So small summary, ChatGPT gave us the best and most complete, factual, and organized response. It even included information published within the last month, which was impressive. It gave us the correct pricing of our courses as pricing keeps on changing. So, it was really good to know that it gave us the correct pricing for the course, which is currently on the website. Gemini 2.5 was faster, very instant, and supposedly very accurate, but it didn't go quite as deep in structure or coverage. It was not able to extract the pricing from a website, and it didn't include any pricing. DeepSeek R1 and Claude gave good answers, but the structure was not good enough, and the information that they displayed were old. DeepSeek gave us the pricing of our courses, but the pricing was very inaccurate and didn't reflect the current pricing on our website. Sonnet, however, didn't give any pricing for our courses. So it's important to note that these scores are based on my expertise with the company, but you can replicate this exercise yourself with any topic that you know very well and you are sure of every answer so that you can evaluate the output given by the AI. So the takeaway, there is no one best model for all the tasks. If you want speed and good enough summaries, Gemini is excellent. But for in depth, multi layered research, ChatGPT 4.0 currently leads the pack. This evaluation shows how powerful it is to test GenAI not with generic prompts but with questions where you know the right answer. So, I invite you to try it. Pick a subject you're confident about, your company, your thesis, your hometown, and see how well the AI responds. Score them yourself. You might be surprised at which ones truly understand and which ones are just guessing the answer. In the next module, we are going to test another subject with these GenAI models and then we are going to compare them based on how well they did. So, I'll see you in the next video.